Hello, my name is Joan from Restoration Bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix bent chainring teeth. Now, in this case, probably because I misshifted during a mountain bike trail, there was a huge amount of force exerted on a number of teeth from the middle chainring. Because normally the biggest chainring would be bent because that's most exposed. Now I noticed this because when from this 7-speed cassette, when I moved into 6th or 7th gear, I felt I heard a noise, and I felt a sort of twang moving through the crank in my leg. So first I thought it was the derailleur, and I finally just found out what had to do with the teeth, because the chain moved in between the front derailleur cage. And this crank has a piece of plastic on the front, so I had to be very careful with the repair, which involves hammering down on the teeth with a piece of wood. Now, you can do this procedure while you're on the trail with like a block of wood and a boulder, a small boulder or something that functions as a hammer. But obviously, since I was at home, it would be much easier for me to just remove the crankset altogether. And after I've removed the crankset, I also removed the pedal. So I could lay it down and have all the space I needed to hammer the teeth back into place. Now again, if you don't have these tools, you can do it while the crankset is on the bike by laying the bike on its side, but this is just much easier. And it also really doesn't matter which ring the bent teeth are on. In my case, again, it was the middle ring, but it doesn't matter. I cleaned it up a bit before laying it down, so I could so my hands didn't get that dirty, and I could see better whether tapping actually worked. My advice is to start off slowly, so not hammering down really hard and doing like 5 or 10 taps before actually looking and inspecting if the teeth are back into place. You don't need that much tapping before you fix the teeth. And you can hold a block like this at a 45-degree angle if you want to single out individual teeth. Now, testing whether you've actually fixed the bent chainring teeth is done best by putting the crankset back on the frame and then looking at the chain within the front derailleur cage and see if it moves back and forth. Now it didn't, so this was a success, and I could ride all of the gears again with the middle chainring. Now if you like this movie, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post videos regularly, and give it a like. I wish you all the best with your own bike repair, and hope to see you on the next movie. Bye for now. Cheers.